welcome back, all you hard-working warriors. Another mowing edition, Elite Landscapes, Life Stories. And beautiful, beautiful weather that God's blessed us with. Beautiful homes that the Lord has also blessed me with. And amazing help. So we're gonna get some footage of this green grass that's growing nice and thick here. And once again, I don't know, for me personally, the Skag Turf Tiger 2, the Skag Freedom Z, they're making me a lot of money and making the grass easy to cut and get manicured. If you saw the last video, we got some tall, clumpy, nasty grass on that one. And these machines did amazing. So check it out at your local dealer if you have one near you. Go online, see what they look like, okay? Let's do this grass cutting thing. All right, warriors, we started this mission mowing at 10:45. The time now is 1 o'clock. The boys are just finished up the weed eating. You can see Dalton behind me. And we're gonna stop and break for lunch. So all those places mowed and weed eated in that amount of time. After lunch, we have this whole entrance, and we have to do a cleanup, which means all the drains, sticks, leaves, everything there is. So all right, so it's 3 o'clock. Those guys have been blowing the entrance since 2:20, picking up sticks. I went through weed patrol on all 3 houses, and I'm tired, all right? I'm exhausted. Everybody's trying to get their bodies back in shape. The boys have been feeling the arm aches from weed eating for sure. So, hey, we're all in the same boat. We're all getting back in gear. So hang in there, keep smiling. I got this last little bit to mow, the entrance, and call it a day. Hopefully, we'll be done at least 4:20, right? Come on. All right, Warriors, it is officially time to call it a day. It's 4:20. And look, my crew has totally amazed me at our start off this week. And if you have guys working for you, make sure, number one, you teach them exactly the way you want it. That way you're happy with him at the end of the day. And number two, once you're happy with them, give them praises and give them bonuses. Give them a lot of love, all right? I have decided that solo lawn care, probably nothing I ever want to go back to, honestly. It's a lot of hard work. My properties are huge, and there's just so much going on. You know, I'm 46, gonna be 47 this next month, so yeah, I don't think solo lawn care is the answer for me, but these young guys here are talking about building an empire, so we'll see how it rolls. Hey, I gotta go home, hang out with my girl and my awesome puppy. As always, be good if you can, always be kind, and above all, love each other. Peace. Elite Landscape style.